What do astrophotography, f ratio, and aperture mean? Imagine trying to take a picture of a star in the night sky. The quality of that picture depends on how much light your telescope gathers and how it's focused. That's where the terms f ratio and aperture come into play. They are fundamental for anyone interested in capturing stunning images of the cosmos. The aperture is simply the size of the opening through which light enters your telescope. Think of it like the pupil in your. The larger the aperture, the more light your telescope can collect. This is especially important when photographing faint objects like distant galaxies or nebulae. A bigger aperture means brighter images and shorter exposure times, making it easier to capture clear pictures without blurring. Now, the f ratio, also called the focal ratio or f number, is a way to describe how the telescope focuses that light. It's calculated by dividing the telescope's focal length by the diameter of the aperture. For example, if a telescope has a focal length of 1,000 millimeters and an aperture of 200 millimeters, the f ratio is 5, written as f5. The lower the f ratio, the faster the telescope gathers light. This means you can take brighter pictures in less time, which is great for beginners or anyone wanting quick results. On the other hand, a higher f ratio, like f10 or f15, means the telescope is slower but provides more magnification. These are better for capturing detailed images of planets or the moon. They requiring longer exposure times because they gather light more slowly. When choosing gear for astrophotography, understanding these two terms helps you pick the right telescope for your goals. If you want to shoot faint deep sky objects quickly, look for a telescope with a large aperture and a low f ratio. If you're interested in detailed planetary images, a higher f ratio with a smaller aperture might be better. In simple terms, the aperture determines how much light your telescope can collect, and the f ratio influences how that light is focused and how fast you can take your pictures. Both are key to getting the best images of the night sky. Knowing this can help you make smarter choices when buying or using your astrophotography gear, whether you're just starting out or aiming for more advanced shots.